miles before border. Guys, here is the beautiful city called Buffalo. Buffalo, New York, man. So this route will end hopefully nicely there in Cambridge, Ontario. And from there I go home, people. They say home sweet home. Well, guys, I tell you, I have very good experience in Pennsylvania as a state, but you know, last month I came 200 feet before the low bridge, man. It was 12.4 height. That's not enough to go through. So I stopped and I called the police, and they escort me nicely, very nice people. And apparently somebody took the sign for directions on one intersection, and guess what, instead going right, I took straight direction and I end up just before the low bridge. It didn't scare me really. It just, I was aware of situation, and in that case, guys, don't panic. Apparently, I heard from the trooper that every 7 days, one guy end up under that bridge. Some of them, they even try to go under bridge. But I was not that dumb. I know what's my clearance is 13.6. I don't believe in 5s. 13 feet and 6 inches. That's my clearance on a bridge. And this was 12.4 inch. That's low. Guys, this trip started in London, Ontario and Canada, and I went to first Tuesday I went to Ohio from Canada. I dropped the trailer there. I bring the empty one back to Canada. That was short trip, about 800 miles both ways. After that, I took second trip, and that was from Cambridge, Ontario to North Carolina, guys. I went there, same thing, dropped the trailer in North Carolina, pick up loaded trailer, and now I am back to Canada. I have 30 minutes to the border here. I am crossing at Fort Erie, Canada, Peace Bridge. So I tell you, that took me 5 full days to do this 2 runs, which is really, I'm happy with that. Timing was good. Only I have delayed, my truck did not want to start this morning, man. Otherwise I would be a long time ago home. So I lost 7 hours for the repair job. Yeah, I was hoping I'm gonna start 6:30, and I end up starting 12:30. So look at that, 6 hours. It's okay, it happens. This is a pretty much new truck. So finally we are almost on board there. I just took a shower and get my coffee, and we are now heading to Canadian border. go. For all my viewers who follow me, please watch my video, and I'm coming with new edition of videos this month. Thank you for following me. We're gonna be introducing new style of videos for trucking. It is going to be more educational because I'm not really funny guy, you know what I mean?